Ako lang pong i-remind ang atong mga estudyante na dunay madawat ng mga special awards later on, labi na ang mga grade 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. Atong gamitan ng tunga, mapasok nila yung napun mo na dahil sa tubangan. Okay? Actions of unity and shared responsibility through to this year's theme ng Bagong Pilipinas. Let us begin this special occasion with hearts full of gratitude and pride. And to officially start our ceremony, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our proud completers with their parents, together with our dedicated teachers and esteemed school officials as they enter through the processional march led by our colors. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Randy Saramay R.
Hindi naman. Hindi mo dali na.
Selmaro Marilyn P. Tuyugon Charlene May M. Villadores Marian May C. Tibugan Early P. Starting with Aranay Dominic.
Dito kay Basilio. Asa man dito ni Aman to?
He will receive the following awards. S. Award. Mapano John Michael with honors. He will receive the following awards. Special Pites Rosel P. with honors. She will receive the following awards. Best in Communication Arts in English,
Isa may mo video.
Service
Isa may mo
Awardee,
video.
Conduct Awardee, and School Publication Writer Awardee. Kere Claire R. with honors. She will receive the following awards in Filipino: Service Award, School Publication Writer Award, and Special Recognition in Sports, specifically in track and field. Selmaro Marilyn P. with honors. She will receive Service Award and Special Recognition in Sports, specifically in track and field. Villadores Mayan May C. with honors. She will receive Conduct Award and Service Awards. Timugan Early P. She will receive Service Award.
Future is bright, the world is divided.
Once again, let's give a round of applause to our grade 10 completers. Tanaw, mga laki. Okay. Ay, isa pa, masama ba, Jake? Sige, ato na mga teachers. Una. Okay, mga teachers, pabiling sa mga teachers. Teachers, faculty and staff. Mga bata, Macy.
Sige lang,
Margarita,
okay na, sir.
Ay,
Arang gizong.
tanaw.
Nag-video na ko.
Ano din nga nakasaysay na yun? Okay. Wait, computers, kindly arrange back your chairs.
Ang kuan. Jang moving up sa grade 10. Oh. Kana sila.
Oo, agroy ka.
Congratulations ate sa imong tulo ka award. Ay, duha ka award og with honor usa sa tulo. Si Kuya pud kana naka-award po na siya. Pero wala niya kuha. Kare may nagkuha. Okay. Maniudto sa mi ha, maniudto.